4 easy methods to fix HP printer paper jam. 4 quick solutions. Method 1. Clear jam from the input tray. Step 1. Switch on your printer power socket. Step 2. Press on the power button to turn on the printer. Step 3. While the printer is still on, remove the power cable from the printer. Step 4. Now locate the printer input tray and gently pull it out. Step 5. Look for any jammed paper inside the paper tray and remove if there's any. Step 6. Make sure to remove every piece of torn paper from inside the tray. Step 7. Now insert the paper tray and reconnect the printer. Step 8. Switch on the printer and check if the issue has been resolved. Method 2. Clear jam from the output tray. Step 1. Disconnect the power cord of the printer and then switch off the printer. Step 2. Locate the printer output tray, pull it out and check for the jammed paper. Step 3. Hold the stuck paper using both hands and gently remove it from the printer. Step 4. After clearing the stuck paper, switch on the printer and print a document. Method 3. Reset the printer. Step 1. Firstly, switch off the printer and disconnect it from the power source. Step 2. After that, leave the printer without the power for at least 2 minutes. Step 3. Reconnect the printer with the power supply after 2 minutes and switch it on. Step 4. Now, check whether the printer is still facing the paper jam issue or not. Method 4. Clear jam in the cartridge area. Step 1. Open the exterior door and the ink cartridge access door. Step 2. Now try to slide the cartridge to the right and left without forcing it. Step 3. Then remove any paper jams. Step 4. Place the access door back and ensure to set it appropriately. Step 5. Now rotate the printer to the back to access the bottom. Step 6. Open the cleanout door and remove if there's any jammed paper. Step 7. Close the cleanout door and rotate it back to its normal position. Step 8. Load the paper on the tray, press the resume button and hold it for some time. Step 9. Release the printer's resume button and check if the printer is working fine or not. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com. Or call us at 1-877-469-0297.